Lifetime Brands is a designer, manufacturer, and seller of branded kitchenware, tableware, and home products, resulting in an extensive product portfolio of kitchen tools, cookware, dinnerware, and home decor items, which are marketed under several widely recognized brand names and trademarks. These products are sold through channels like major retailers, specialty stores, department stores, warehouse clubs, and e-commerce platforms. Lifetime Brands operates in multiple segments, including the U.S. and international, with a presence in international markets through subsidiaries and affiliate companies. Product categories are divided into three main groups: kitchenware, tableware, and home solutions. Kitchenware includes products such as kitchen tools, cutlery, and cookware, while tableware comprises dinnerware, stemware, and flatware. Home Solutions includes a range of products such as thermal beverageware, bath scales, and home decor items. Products are sold directly to retailers and, to a lesser extent, to distributors. It also operates its own websites, where a limited selection of products is available for purchase by individual consumers. Lifetime Brands' customer base is diverse and includes mass-market merchants like Walmart and Target, specialty stores like Williams-Sonoma, department stores like Macy's, and e-commerce platforms like Amazon. In fact, Walmart, Costco, and Amazon accounted for a significant portion of Lifetime Brands' consolidated net sales in recent years. Lifetime Brands operates its own distribution facilities and supplements its capacity with third-party operated facilities. Its sales and marketing staff work closely with wholesale customers to develop marketing strategies and promotional programs. Showrooms are located in New York, Atlanta, and London, where it showcases its products and collaborates with customers. Notable international subsidiaries are located in the UK, China, Hong Kong, Australia, and New Zealand, alongside an alliance with a Canadian company to distribute its products in Canada. International operations are supported by a state-of-the-art facility in Aston, England, and a third-party distribution facility in Rotterdam, Netherlands. Lifetime Brands prioritizes innovation and new product development, driven by a global team of approximately 70 professional designers, artists, and engineers. This team utilizes the latest design tools, technology, and materials to create new products, redesign existing ones, and develop packaging and merchandising concepts. Products are sourced from hundreds of suppliers, mostly located outside the United States, with a significant concentration in China. However, products are also sourced from suppliers in various countries across Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Lifetime Brands orders products well in advance of their anticipated sale and has flexible arrangements with most manufacturers, allowing for modifications in quantity, composition, and delivery dates. Contracts are made with third-party manufacturers to produce the vast majority of its products. However, it does have some in-house manufacturing operations, including a leased facility in Puerto Rico for sterling silver products and an owned facility in Massachusetts for spice filling and spice rack assembly, as well as manufacturing operations in Mexico. Lifetime Brands owns approximately 1,050 design and utility patents and holds licenses to use certain brands, including Farberware and KitchenAid. The Farberware license is royalty-free and expires in 2195, while the KitchenAid license expires in December 2026. Lifetime Brands' workforce consists of approximately 1,080 full-time employees, with a presence in Asia, Europe, and the United States. Business is seasonal, with a majority of sales occurring in the third and fourth quarters. In anticipation of the pre-holiday shipping season, inventory levels increase primarily in the June through October time period. For more on Lifetime Brands and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.